Walk around Ralph again. We're here at Hawaiian Railways in beautiful downtown Hawaii. We made a little stop. Christmas time is almost here.
Like get the whole tree.
We're going to come through here.
That Santa Claus is so cute.
Got a beautiful little Christmas setup here. Really looking nice. I brought my camera crew. Come over here. And this is the rest of it right here. We just got off the train. We're gonna come back around this way. Really beautiful setup they got here. This is beautiful Iwa 1. Just walk around Ralph from beautiful downtown Hawaii. We'll catch y'all later when we see you. Come here, Clyde. A little bit broader view of us here. Go on out here at the Hawaiian Railway. And Clyde, you've done your job good, bud. That's my boy. Good job. Come on in. We got the Grinch and Rudolph. We got everybody. Inside here we got my son and his wife, beautiful wife. Hello everybody. So that's why I came to Hawaii, to have Thanksgiving with these guys. But we're here. Come here, Clyde. We'll finish this one up.